Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to update and organize content on your portfolio. By now you should have already downloaded the template. So we're going to go ahead and click on Portfolio and select Collections. So this is our collection. It should have your name on it, as seen in the previous video. So to begin working on our collection, we're going to click on it. And as you can see, the collection itself consists of a number of pages. So we have general, writing, reading, listening, and speaking. And to begin the editing process, you just click on Edit this page. So the first thing you will notice here is that you have multiple tabs here. Right now we're on the Edit Content page. And on the left side of the screen we have the sort of a tool bar with all the artifacts that we can use, and in the middle here this is the content area that we're going to be working with. So the first thing we want to do is update the information on this page. This is the general page. So to edit, we want to update our photo. You click on this little icon here. This is configure, and it will take you to this page where you can remove this temporary image and upload your photo through the download file option here. And you click save, and you should see your new picture here. Then the next thing you want to do is update your information here, your name, your course level, your instructor, and your major, and then the general course reflection. And this is the information you need to write your general reflection. So you click on the config button, and you read this, of course, and write your own version here, and you click save again. Alright, now I'm going to click on the display page, and you should see the changes here. So now we're back to the template itself. The next thing you want to do, of course, is update and enter content in all the different sections. So let's take reading, for example. In the reading page, we're going to click on, well, before we click on the edit page, if you notice here, there's a little arrow under instructions. So go ahead and click on the arrow pointing to the left, and it should open instructions on how to enter content and what exactly you need to do for each of these sections. So read these carefully and update the page based on the information you read here. So we're going to go ahead and click on edit page, and it's the same as the previous one. We can leave this, the instructions here. What you're going to do next is write your reflection, and again, if you're not sure what to write here, the information is here, or you can check with your instructor. So you click on the config button and you complete and you enter your information. The next step is to start entering your artifacts or your content or your files. The information is organized in horizontal format. So you need to upload your assignments, describe it, and reflect on it. So the first thing you want to do is describe the assignment, and you can do that through the text box. So all I did here is I drag the text box to this section here. So you can click on the config button and write your description here. The next thing you want to do is upload the actual files, and then on the far right column you want to reflect on the content that you just uploaded. And again, if you're not sure what to write under the reflection or the description, you can just go back to the instructions and read about it. Just to give you an example, I have updated the writing section here with 2 assignments. So check in with your instructor in terms of how many assignments you will be uploading under each skill. In this example, I uploaded 2 essays, and this is my assignment description for SA1, my files, SA1 draft 1, SA1 draft 2, and final draft, and my reflection for SA1. Again, the little arrow here will tell you more about this specific section, so read the information here if you're not sure. So in terms of updating your content here, what I did, as I showed you in the previous video, I created 2 folders and I uploaded files under each folder. So I have my SA1 folder, and these files reside inside that folder, and I have SA2 folder with the 3 files that reside under the same folder. So just to give you an example, let's click on the edit page to show you how this works. So to upload a folder, again, you just go to media and you drag a folder to the space where you want it to be, and it will ask you to select which folder. And of course I went to write in and I selected SA1 folder, and you click select and you save, and it should look like this. And you do the same thing for the SA2 or your research paper drafts. It's the same process. In the speaking section, you will most likely be uploading videos, and the process is pretty similar, except that we're going to be using the external feature here and selecting external media. So I'll drag my external media link here, and let's call this presentation 1. And this is where you copy and paste the YouTube code or URL or embed code, and you click save, and it should show up right there. And of course, just like we did with the write-in, you want to first describe the assignment, upload it, and then reflect on it. And if you're not sure again, you can look at the instructions for more details.